Means of egress. Corridors.
For egress systems, we're going to encounter rated fire penetration construction. Fire partitions for corridors consist of a 1-hour wall with protected openings, 20-minute rating for doors, 45-minute rating for all glazing assemblies. Rated construction is required when the occupant load is greater than 10 for a Group E occupancy, and must include a rated floor-ceiling assembly above and below. Remember that per the 2016 code change, that rated corridor construction is no longer required for Group E buildings that are protected throughout by automatic fire sprinkler systems. Door swing must be appropriate. Doors must swing in the direction of egress travel when serving rooms or areas with an occupant load of 50 or more persons, or a Group H occupancy. For door clearance, the undercut of the door cannot exceed 3/4 of an inch max. This 3/4 inch may be referenced in NFPA Standard 80, Section 4.8.4.1. What's wrong with this egress picture? Yeah, there's been a gate constructed so as to close off the egress access. This is not permitted. 2019 CBC Section 1008.2.3 pertains to egress discharge lighting. Egress discharge lighting is required from each building exit along the route to the public way or to a safe dispersal area. The egress lighting must provide a minimum illumination level of 1-foot candle at the walking surface. This section is new to the Model Code 2018 IBC. 2019 CBC Section 1010.1.1 for clear width directs that door openings must provide a clear width of 32 inches minimum. Clear openings of doorways with swinging doors shall be measured between the face of the door and the stop, with the door open 90 degrees. Openings greater than 24 inches deep shall provide a clear opening of 36 inches. There shall be no projections into the required clear opening width lower than 34 inches above the finished floor or ground. Projections into the clear opening width between 34 inches and 80 inches above finished floor or ground shall not exceed 4 inches. It is important to note that there are door provisions in the 2019 CBC, Chapter 11B, that are applicable in addition to those in Chapter 10. 2019 CBC Section 10.1.1 does contain an exception. This exception for door closers and door stops states that they are permitted to be 78 inches minimum above the finished floor or ground. This exception allows a door closer to be installed in the doorway without jeopardizing the minimum clear height requirement. Here's a detail for door swing, height of hardware, and clearance locations. Continuing on with exits, the project inspector is going to be verifying exits from the building to the public way or safe dispersal area, from the rooms, ensuring that minimum of 2 exits are provided for those rooms serving an occupant load of 50 or more, that the exit signage has been provided within the building and from the building. Verify the listed spacing of the signage. The building code requires a maximum 100-foot spacing. However, it is important to check the listing material for the exit sign, as some manufacturers specify dimensions less than 100 feet. And we're looking for the exit signage in the rooms. Remember, above the exit doors, where the path of travel is obscured, and other locations. Exits must be clearly identified at all times.